Okay, so next question is question number 5, subheading 8. Okay, exercise 8.4. So question number 5, subheading 8, page 203 on your textbook. So go to page 203. Let me read the question here. Number 8, sine a plus cosec a square whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is the right hand side. This seems to be easier to take out again. Left hand side, left hand side is equal to sine a plus cosec a. Sine a plus cosec a whole thing square, then plus cos a plus sec a whole thing square. Now we need to get there on the right hand side. 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So let us deal with this to get that. 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Let's try to keep that in our mind, though it's not so easy in this case. So let us apply the formula here. A plus b whole square. We know this is very common formula from class 6, 7 even. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a is this one and b is this one. Okay, then here plus, and if it's plus we don't need to put bracket also. So had it this been minus, it's important to put bracket, okay, before we deal with the inside. Now a plus b whole square, again same formula, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Same formula we applied in both these cases, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Then let us do this here. Okay, so this will be sine a plus cosec a whole square. Yes. So here, let us do this. Sine square a plus cos square a. Let us bring it together because immediately we need there 7, right? 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a is what we need on the right side. Let's keep that in mind. So we need some numbers. So these two combined we get 1 formula. So tick those ones you've done. So plus this one I can change to 1 plus tan square a because see we need tan square a. So formula cosec square a is 1 plus tan square a, right? So we can just keep it for this one also done. Then this one we can do it as 2 into sine a into cosec a is 1 by sine a formula. We did that because we can see you can cancel this. So it will become 2 ones are 2 and we need 7. So 2 plus 1 here 3. So 4 more and 7 we're going to get. So next, this is done. See, tick, tick and tick. This we need. So plus tan sec square a is 1 plus cosec square a is not 1 plus tan square a. Cosec square a is 1 plus cot square a, So we got this one already. Then sec square a is 1 plus tan square a. So done. That way we got this one also. All we need is 7. So we're going to make 7 out of the rest. Done. Tick, 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 tick. And then this one only left. So plus 2 into cos a into sec a we can write as 1 by cos a. That way we can get this cancelled. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 and 6, 7. See, 6, 7. This also found. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 because sine square a plus cos square a formula is 1. So already almost we're in the last step. So just a matter of doing carefully. So this will be sine square a plus cos square a is 1 plus into plus you can remove the bracket plus cot square a plus 2 ones are 2. Then here you can remove the bracket 1 plus tan square a plus 2 ones are 2. So that way 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 2, 7. So tick 7. Then here arranging it to the right hand side plus, you can write this one first, tan square a and plus cot square a, you can bring it at the back. So done. All the things are ticked, means we have taken into account, which is exactly equal to the right hand side. Right, so next, number 9. Okay, let me read the question for us. Here also, I think number 9, if we take left hand side also and right hand side also, it's going to be easier for us. Let's take the left hand side first. So left hand side is cosec A minus sin A. Okay, cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. So let us try to simplify this to the simplest form possible and see the right hand side after that. 1 by sin A we can write. Let's try to change everything to sin and cos. So this is fine, so just keep it. This is 1 by cos A, we can put sec A is 1 by cos A formula. And cos A is already cos A, so everything into sin and cos. Then here, 1 minus sin into sin, sin square A. Long line because you have multiplied by sin A. Into here again, LCM is cos A. 1 minus cos A into cos A is cos square A. Okay, so here, we can close the bracket. Then next here, keep it as simple as possible. We're trying, so 1 minus sin square A is cos square A, we can put formula by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is, we know by formula sin square A by cos A. So sin A to the power 1 gone, and 2 minus 1 still 1 there. Cos A to the power gone, here 2 minus 1 power still there. So next here, the simplest form possible is now cos A sin A is left. So we cannot make it more simple than this right now, so just keep it like that. It's quite simple. Now let's try to change the right hand side also to this, whether possible or not. So let's take a right hand side is equal to 1 by 10A plus cot A. So 1 by 10A plus cot A. So let's try that. Long line, 1 by sin A by cos A, we can apply that formula. Plus cot A, we can apply cos A by sin A. Right? We know this formula, very familiar now. So let's just do carefully. 1 long line, then here LCM of cos and sin is cos A into sin A. Now cos A is already there, so the missing one, sin A into sin A. Sin square A, then plus sin A is already there, so cos into cos, cos square A. So it's a simple case of 1, and long line means divided by, so change the multiplication sign, then down denominator cos A, sin A will go up, we got that already, by this numerator sin square A plus cos square A will come down, if you like. Or you can also do like this. This is not wrong, but you can just, if you want to make it more simple before you bring, sin square A plus cos square A is 1 formula by cos A into sin A. And finally, 1 into means down will go up, cos A into sin A by 1 will come down. So that is equal to cos A into sin A, which is simply equal to exactly equal to the left hand side cos A sin A. So we can just write here the final step. Therefore, we have proved that left hand side and right hand side are equal. So this identity is, they are equal. The statement, the equation is true. Okay. And last question before this test. After this, you go and take the test. Same question you solve and give for correction. Go through with, observe the class, do yourself, practice, and if you're comfortable, do without looking the same question and then correct. Okay, for give for evaluation. So next, one more, 10. So let us see there are 3 parts here. So number 10, let's take the first part. This first part. In the first part, because there are 3 parts, if you observe carefully, first part is equal to 1 plus 10 square A by 1 plus cot square A in a bracket. So we can just apply the formula sec square A by cosec square A, meaning 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, no? And then 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. Okay, we can apply this formula, but the right hand side, the third part is tan square A. So another way to do it, I think this will be easier for you. So here, the one we did just now also is possible. Maybe you can write your 1 plus sine square A by cos square A. Tan A is sine A by cos A. So tan square A will be sine square A by cos square A. Okay. Then next here, 1 plus cos square A by sine square A. Cot A is going to cos A by sine A. So cot square A will be cos square A by sine square A. Put the long line first, and cos square A into 1 is cos square A plus, this one will be same, sine square A by LCM is cos square A. Do the same thing down here, LCM is sine square A into 1 is sine square A plus, this will be same, cos square A. So let us do that. Then we can see here the long line, cos square A plus sine square A is 1 divided by cos square A. Cos square A plus sine square A is 1 divided by sine square A. Okay, formula sine square A plus cos square A 1. Okay, next here, that will be equal to simple case of 1 by cos square A into, then this sine square A will go up and the numerator 1 will come down. So that is sine square A by cos square A, because 1 can be neglected. So sine A by cos A is tan A. So sine square A by tan square A will be tan square A. So this is the first part answer. Let us see the second part. Second part is equal to, there are three parts, right? So second part, 1 minus tan A, 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A, the whole thing squared. So let us do the same, sine cos, everything into sine cos, 1 minus sine A by cos A, whole thing square, because tan A is sine A by cos A. 1 minus cos A by sine A, cot A is cos A by sine A, the whole thing. Okay, we can just do like this also, yes, or you can just write here as we have been doing like in the text, whole thing like this also you can put, it will be easier for you, I think. So this square will not be there right now. So let us do this here. 1 minus sine A by cos A, 1 minus cos A by sine A. So this will be here. That will be equal to cos A 1 ja cos A. Okay, so here we need some place. So cos A minus sine A by cos A. Okay, and then here cos A into 1, sine A into 1, sine A minus cos A by, down here is sine A. Okay, then here the whole thing is squared. Do carefully, first part done. So let us just take this space. That will be equal to, here you see here, there will be cos A minus sine A by cos A into, then this down will come up, sine A by, this up will come down, sine A minus cos A. Okay, change this division sign, long line into multiplication, down will go up will come down. This down has gone up and the numerator sine A minus cos A has come down. Now these two can be meshed up, you see, so to cancel them. So how do we do that? See here, this is fine. If you want, just keep it as it is, or you can match up this one with this one also. That will be easier for you, I think. So let us take out the minus sign from here, then minus into plus is minus sine A. So nothing should change. minus into plus, still minus sin A, so nothing is changed. Minus into minus, this is plus, therefore minus into minus. Like that we can change the order by bringing the minus out, but it is still the same thing. See, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, into sin A, okay, into sin A, divided by sin A minus cos A. If you like, put in bracket. No, also it's fine because there's a bar here, meaning a bracket only. So here sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A will cancel that way. This is still cos A. So we are forgetting, but here, see, there is a till here, though it's fine. So here bracket, and we should have put square. See, whole thing is squared. Then here we have used the first bracket already. So let us put here second bracket up to here, and the square is still there, right? So we shouldn't forget that. So here we have minus sin A, minus into plus, minus sin A, divided by here cos A, the whole thing is squared. So squared means double minus is there, minus into minus, because squared means the sign also, the power belongs to the sign also, minus into minus. If it is cubed, then there will be minus into minus into minus 3 times, I mean. Then outside, okay, then to the power, then sine square A by to the power 2 cos square A, if you like. Minus into minus is plus, so that will be 10 square. Sin A by cos A is 10A, so sine square A by cos square A is 10 square A. Minus into minus plus, so disappeared. So this is the second part. First part is also 10 square A. Second part is also 10 square A. Now how about the third part? Third part, you look there on your text, it's already 10 square A. See there, already. Means first part is 10 square A, we have shown that. Second part also can be changed to 10 square A. Third part is already 10 square A, means that expression is correct. So first part is equal to second part is equal to third part, already proved above. Therefore, hence proved. So this is the last question. You can go and give the test. The test is you practice first these 3 questions, and if you're comfortable, take your textbook and solve without looking. Submit for correction. Okay.